Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a frame collage. First, decide on a cohesive theme or color palette to guide your selections. Gather a variety of frames, perhaps 3 to 5 different sizes, to add dynamic visual appeal. Carefully measure the wall area where your collage will hang, ensuring it fits perfectly. Before hanging, arrange all your chosen frames on the floor to visualize the final layout and make any necessary adjustments. Now let's prepare your materials. Begin by cleaning all the glass and frame surfaces to ensure a pristine display. Print your photographs to match the exact dimensions of your frames. This creates a polished look. For smaller images, consider adding a mat board which can elevate their presentation. Finally, carefully insert each photo into its respective frame, making sure it is perfectly centered and securely held in place. Hanging your collage requires precision. Create paper templates of your frames and tape them to the wall to mark the exact hanging spots. Always use a level to guarantee that every frame hangs perfectly straight, preventing a crooked appearance. For secure installation, especially with heavier frames, utilize appropriate wall anchors. Aim for consistent spacing, usually 2 to 3 inches, between each frame to achieve a balanced and harmonious arrangement. With your frames hung, it's time for the final touches. Step back a few feet to evaluate the entire collage, checking for overall balance and symmetry. Make any minor adjustments to ensure all frames are perfectly aligned. To keep your collage looking its best, regularly dust the frames and clean the glass. You might also consider adding a small, complementary accent piece nearby, like a plant or a decorative item, to enhance the display.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.